Welcome to RV Road Report. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new Honda Camper Van Motorhome. This isn't just a van, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Honda has taken its trusted reliability and blended it with modern motorhome design, making it perfect for road adventurers, weekend explorers, and families who love freedom. Stick with us as we take you on a full tour, inside and out, of this incredible motorhome in vibrant silver with rugged long body 4x4 wheels. By the end, you'll know exactly why this $98,000 beauty is making waves in the RV world. Exterior front view. Now, let's start at the very front. The first thing you notice is that bold Honda logo proudly standing at the center of the grille. It's not just any van. It's crafted with elegance and strength. The sleek headlights merge seamlessly into the body, while the wide bumper gives it a sturdy presence. Standing here in the Honda showroom, the finish in vibrant silver truly sparkles under the lights. Every angle screams sophistication, yet durability. Whether you're pulling into a city cafe or heading off-road, this camper van makes a statement before you even step inside. Topside view. From the top, the Honda Camper Van shows its real adventure-ready DNA. Solar panels are neatly fixed up top, ensuring you're powered up even when you're far from city life. Alongside, you'll see a strong antenna for better connectivity on the road and a compact AC unit fitted on the outer side, making sure comfort follows you wherever you go. The roof is streamlined, minimizing drag but maximizing utility. For anyone planning long journeys or wild camping trips, this setup gives you complete independence, like carrying a little piece of home energy everywhere. Backside view. Moving around to the back, the design is practical yet stylish. Here, you'll notice a carefully mounted extra tire, always a lifesaver on rough terrains. Right next to it, Honda has smartly installed a cycle carrier, giving you the flexibility to bring along bicycles for quick rides at campsites or scenic trails. The taillights are sharp and modern, and the rear door opens wide for easy access. Honda has really focused on functionality, without compromising on the premium look. This is where 4 meets function, an adventure machine ready for the unexpected. Side view. The side profile is where this camper van really transforms into a lifestyle vehicle. Alongside the long, rugged body, you'll see a side tent setup, perfect for outdoor sitting, relaxing, or even dining under the sky. This thoughtful addition extends your living space beyond the van, making camp stops feel like mini outdoor retreats. The smooth silver finish, paired with bold black detailing on the 4x4 wheels, makes the side profile stunning. Whether parked by the mountains or the beach, this view alone will make you fall in love with the Honda motorhome experience. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and you're greeted with pure Honda engineering. The driver's seat is supportive and designed for long hours on the road, while the dashboard is packed with modern features. You'll spot not one but 2 LED screens, one dedicated for infotainment and navigation, and another providing a clear backside view camera feed for easy parking and reversing. The controls are intuitive, the steering wheel feels solid, and everything is placed for convenience. It's more than just driving. It's about enjoying every mile with confidence and safety. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving area, the magic really begins. The sofa-cum-bed setup is smart, space-efficient, and comfortable. By day, it's a cozy seating space where family or friends can relax, chat, or enjoy a meal. By night, it transforms into a bed big enough for restful sleep under the stars. The finishing is warm, with soft LED lighting creating a homely vibe. This dual-purpose design means no space is wasted. Exactly what makes camper van so exciting. It's a living room and bedroom rolled into one, built with precision. Kitchen. Now, what's a home on wheels without a kitchen? Honda has made sure you don't miss out. The compact kitchen setup is right alongside the seating and sleeping area. It comes with a stove, a sink with running water, and cleverly designed storage cabinets for your cooking essentials. There's even space for a small fridge to keep your food fresh. Despite its size, it's highly functional, whether you're making coffee at sunrise or cooking dinner after a long drive. This kitchen turns every stop into a moment to enjoy delicious meals on the road. Washroom, tucked neatly into a corner, is a surprisingly well-planned washroom. Space is tight, but Honda has made it work perfectly. You get a compact sink, a small toilet, and even a shower option, all designed to make life easier on long trips. The fittings are simple but practical, and ventilation ensures it stays fresh inside. Having a washroom in such a compact motorhome is a big plus, especially for families or solo travelers who want complete independence. It's another reason why this camper van feels like a true home away from home. And that wraps up our full tour of the Honda Camper Van Motorhome. A blend of reliability, style, and practical design, priced at just $98,000. From the rugged exterior and solar-ready roof to the cozy living space and fully equipped kitchen, Honda has redefined comfort on the road. So what do you think? Could this be your next adventure vehicle? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.